what we're gonna say. So just hold it out.
Is this gonna go on
right
YouTube?
There. Yeah, right there.
Sweet.
Alright, so this is Chris's bike check. It's a what appears to be an X Games active bike. As you can see, it's got no brakes. China grips. China cut off grips. China hubs. No gyro. China one-piece cranks with metal pedals. Here, hold the bike, Chris.
I got you.
China spokes with the Chinese crank. Hold this up for me. And let's give the hub a sound.
As you can see, it does have the regular clickety clack sound that you do get from a standard China-made bike. I know we're gonna do something with that later.
Yeah. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh yeah, we got the classy forks, most likely made out of low tensile steel,
Made in China.
with the no brake, the invisible brake holders. You know, gotta give it some good class. We got 3-piece handlebars, China made. So yeah. Seat is an X Games shit model seat with no seat clamp, and yeah.
So yeah, this bike is pretty much a total piece of shit. Overall, I think it is.
We got a 45 tooth shit made chain wheel with a cassette freewheel hub, and yeah.